Billions of Google Chrome users are now facing a new cyber threat called Syncjacking, a dangerous browser hijacking attack that exploits Chrome's synchronization feature. This latest security risk has the potential to expose personal data, login credentials, browsing history, and even saved passwords to hackers. If you use Google Chrome, you need to know how this attack works, why it's so dangerous, and what you can do to protect yourself. Syncjacking is a highly sophisticated attack that manipulates the Chrome Sync feature. This feature is designed to help users seamlessly access their bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and history across multiple devices. It's a convenient tool, but cybercriminals have found a way to use it against unsuspecting users. By hijacking the sync process, attackers can gain access to synced data and exploit it for malicious purposes. Here's how this attack happens. It usually starts when a user is tricked into installing a malicious Chrome extension. These extensions often appear legitimate, with fake reviews and enticing functionality, making them easy to overlook. Once installed, the extension gains access to Chrome's sync settings. From there, it can intercept and extract sensitive information stored in the browser. Because Chrome Sync is cloud-based and applies changes across all connected devices, once an attacker has access, they can retrieve data from multiple sources at once. Syncjacking poses a significant risk to users because it allows attackers to steal a wide range of personal data. This includes login credentials for banking sites, email accounts, and social media profiles. Attackers can also monitor browsing history, giving them insights into a user's online habits. Even autofill data, such as saved addresses and credit card details, could be exposed. This stolen data can be sold on the dark web, used for identity theft, or exploited in targeted phishing attacks. One of the most concerning aspects of syncjacking is how difficult it is for users to detect. Unlike traditional malware, which may slow down a device or trigger security warnings, syncjacking operates discreetly within the browser's ecosystem. Since users rely on Chrome Sync to store and access their information, they may not realize they are being targeted until it is too late. There are clear steps that every Chrome user should take to protect themselves from this emerging threat. The first and most important measure is to be extremely cautious when installing browser extensions. Only install extensions from trusted developers and verify their authenticity by checking user reviews and permissions. If an extension asks for unnecessary access to browsing data, that's a red flag. Regularly reviewing installed extensions is another crucial step in staying safe. Many users forget about extensions they installed months or even years ago, and cybercriminals take advantage of this. Extensions that were once safe may become compromised if hackers gain control of them. If you don't recognize an extension or haven't used it in a while, remove it immediately. Disabling Chrome Sync entirely is an option for users who do not need their data synced across multiple devices. While this may be less convenient, it significantly reduces the risk of a syncjacking attack. To disable Sync, navigate to Chrome Settings, select Sync and Google Services, and turn off syncing for any data you don't want stored in the cloud. Keeping Chrome updated is another essential defense against syncjacking. Google frequently releases security patches to address vulnerabilities, and updating the browser ensures that you have the latest protections in place. Automatic updates should be enabled to minimize the risk of exposure to newly discovered threats. Enabling Chrome's enhanced safe browsing feature is another layer of protection. This setting provides proactive security by detecting dangerous extensions and alerting users before they install anything suspicious. To activate this feature, go to Chrome Settings, select Privacy and Security, then choose Security and turn on Enhanced Protection. Using strong, unique passwords for all online accounts is critical. If an attacker gains access to a saved password through syncjacking, they may try to use it on other platforms. A password manager can help generate and store complex passwords securely, preventing attackers from using stolen credentials to access multiple accounts. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, making it significantly harder for attackers to take over accounts. Even if they steal a password, they won't be able to access an account without the second authentication factor. This can be a text message code, an authentication app, or a physical security key. Installing reputable security software is another step users can take to protect themselves from syncjacking. Many modern antivirus programs include browser protection features that can detect and block malicious extensions before they cause harm. Running regular security scans ensures that threats are identified and removed promptly. Being cautious with public Wi-Fi is important for protecting Chrome Sync data. Public networks are often unsecured, making it easier for attackers to intercept data. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN to encrypt your connection and protect sensitive information from prying eyes. Phishing awareness is another key aspect of cybersecurity. Cybercriminals often use phishing emails and fake websites to trick users into installing malicious extensions. Always verify the legitimacy of links before clicking, and never install software from unknown sources. Staying informed about emerging threats is essential in today's digital landscape. Cybercriminals constantly develop new tactics, and awareness is the best defense. Following cybersecurity news and updates from reputable sources can help users stay ahead of potential risks. Chrome users should also consider using an alternative browser for sensitive activities like online banking. While Chrome is widely used and convenient, its popularity makes it a prime target for attackers. A secondary browser with minimal extensions and security-focused settings can add an extra layer of protection. Syncjacking is a wake-up call for all internet users. While Chrome Sync provides convenience, it also introduces new risks that must be addressed. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their methods, and users must take proactive steps to protect their personal information. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cybersecurity threats and how to stay protected. Let us know in the comments if you've experienced suspicious browser activity or have additional security tips to share. Stay safe, stay informed, and take control of your digital security today.